Why is time management crucial for freelancers?
Oftentimes, you'll drop several projects and clients at once. Without effective time management, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or miss important deadlines, maintain high-quality work, and reduce stress. Mastering this skill also makes it possible to accept more opportunities and ultimately grow your freelance business.
How can I prioritize multiple projects?
Start by listing all your current projects and their deadlines. Break each project into smaller tasks and identify which are urgent or have looming due dates. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or digital task managers to visualize your workload. Revisiting your priorities each morning ensures you stay focused and tackle the most important tasks first.
What are effective techniques to avoid distractions?
Set clear work hours and boundaries even if you work from home. Turn off non-essential notifications and designate a dedicated workspace. The Pomodoro technique, which involves working for 25 minutes and taking a 5-minute break, can boost concentration. Communicate your work schedule to friends and family to minimize unexpected interruptions.
How do I prevent burnout as a freelancer?
Schedule regular breaks throughout your workday. Make time for exercise, hobbies, and social interactions. Set realistic expectations for yourself, and don't be afraid to say no to extra work if your plate is already full. Maintaining balance between your professional and personal life helps sustain your energy and creativity long-term.
What are the best tools for freelance time management?
Digital tools can simplify scheduling and tracking tasks. Apps like Trello, Asana, or Todoist help organize projects and manage deadlines. Time trackers, such as Toggle or Rescue Time, can reveal where your hours go and highlight opportunities to work more efficiently. Explore different methods to find what best matches your workflow and preferences.